So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for like so long. I didn't post throughout last week. I didn't post on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my YouTube. I didn't post anything, but I am back. Yeah, who missed me? Say hi. I missed you. I miss making videos. Yes, and this was my last week, but I just turned it to a corner pattern. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go off camera and draw my brows. I'm just gonna be showing you guys my eye look. I don't know if it's just me, but my brows look so nice and my skin looks so smooth and my camera look bomb. So basically, yeah, my eyes are going to be inspired by my dress. It has this cute thing at the front, and I'm just going to be mixing all those colors for my eyes. I'm using this shade called Jane as my transition color. I'm taking it really lightly and soft, nothing too much. So taking this shade from a random eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use that to just add like a definition to what I already had going on. And I'm taking this shade, this red shade, for my eyelid. So I'm just gonna Yes, I'm done with my wing eyes. I'm gonna take a pencil brush and just go ahead and wet it with my setting spray and take any gold shade. You can take any gold shade, but I'm using a gold shade from this palette. I'm taking just this shade here to just line my eyeliner. So for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use my black pencil to just draw line underneath my eyes, and I'm using one of my favorite black pencil from Ocean. Best way, you can just use your eyes to just kiss the pencil and move it around. Make sure it's not too deep so it doesn't do anything to your eyes. Taking my foil eyeshadow from my Miss Yahoo palette, this blue foil eyeshadow, I'm gonna use that to just put it directly on the eyeliner to just give it this effect. So yes, this is it for the eyeshadow look, and I hope you guys learn a two or thing from this eyeshadow look. I love this look, how it's coming out, and it really matches my dress like so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share like, share and comment. Drop a comment of what you think about this look and what you have learned from this look. I love you guys, but God loves you more.